Hi and welcome to this Yano video recipe. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you're subscribed to not miss out. Today we'll be making roasted asparagus topped with crispy Parmesan. Before we start, take a look at the link in the description below. You can order the pre-meshed ingredients to cook this recipe at home. Before you start, preheat your oven to 230 degrees. Spread the asparagus on a baking tray followed by the oil and mix it all together really well to ensure the asparagus is completely covered. Sprinkle the Parmesan evenly on top. Finally, season it all with the ground pepper and bake in the oven for around 15 minutes. You want the cheese to melt and be crispy with a soft, tender asparagus underneath. Transfer everything to a serving plate and cover with a generous splash of balsamic vinegar. This really is a versatile dish that can be served with a wide range of meals. Plus, it's so quick and simple to prepare. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like this video. We upload a new recipe every single day, so make sure you subscribe to not miss out.